Welcome to The Elastic Company, where teamwork is not just a concept, but a way of life. At The Elastic Company, we understand the power of synergy, the magic that happens when individuals come together with a shared goal in mind. Our team operates seamlessly, with each member fulfilling a vital role in the crafting of high-quality elastic tapes. From design to production, every step underscores our dedication to excellence, ensuring that every aspect of our process is meticulously executed to meet the highest standards.
मेरा नाम लीलो शाह है। मैं इलास्टिक कंपनी में 10 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
मेरा नाम पवन कुमार है। द इलास्टिक कंपनी में 12 साल से काम करते हैं, सीखते हैं।
Whether we're collaborating to brainstorm innovative designs, refining production methods for maximum efficiency, or meticulously overseeing quality control measures, our team's coordination stands unrivaled. Each member brings their unique expertise to the table, seamlessly intertwining their efforts to achieve excellence at every stage of our operations. So when you choose The Elastic Company, you're not just getting superior products. You're partnering with a team that works tirelessly, hand in hand, to deliver excellence every single day. At The Elastic Company, our team's coordination is the backbone of our success. From ideating new designs to refining production processes and ensuring top-tier quality control, each member's role is integral. Our synergy isn't just about tasks. It's a fusion of diverse talents, fostering innovation and driving us towards unparalleled excellence. Join us and be part of a team shaping the future of our industry. Work with us, where collaboration breeds success, where our teamwork making dream work.